101K.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Walk backwards with me. Look at this light. That's giving skin. All right, hey y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. It is March. What's today's date?
16th.
It is March 16th. Me and the husband are outside taking our daily walk. We walk like 3-4 times a week. But I just wanted to show y'all because I haven't been vlogging. So I was like, I'm gonna start a vlog today. But look at this beautiful scenery with this 4K. And then look at this beautiful sight right here. Looking mighty handsome on this Saturday afternoon. You know, something, you know, a little snack for later. But this is so nice.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Cozy.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Hey y'all, it's Sunday, March 17th. I'm over at my parents' house with the nephew. I just brought him outside in the back to get some fresh air, let him run around. He don't be coming outside. You wanna get the basketball? Get a basketball. Get the basketball. You don't want the basketball? But it's a beautiful day. Say hey. Look back. Say hey. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and close out the vlog. But yeah, y'all, so I just want to come on here and close out the vlog. So just to recap everything that y'all seen in the vlog, because I don't think I really talked to y'all at the beginning. This is just like a little 2-day vlog, Saturday and Sunday. Today is Sunday, the end. And what am I trying to say? Oh yeah, yesterday me and the husband went on a walk. Y'all seen that. Then we headed up to David's Bridal to meet my mama to look for her address for her vow renewal, which is in July. And then y'all seen us go to eat at this Tex-Mexican restaurant. And then honestly, after that, we came home and went to sleep. We were so tired. So now it's Sunday. Today I'm at my parents' house, and I just brought my nephew outside to play for a little bit. But he acting real clingy, like he don't want to do nothing. So look, say bye to the vlog. Come on. And so I'm gonna just close it out because I'm not really doing much today. I have work later on today. I have like a meeting for work. So it's not gonna be a lot going on today. So I just wanted to come and close out the vlog instead of just ending it abruptly. Come on, look. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
He said bye-bye, y'all. See y'all in the next video.